Hi, I'm David at Pine Acres RV here in Stewiacke, exit 11 on a very hot July day. Here we have a trade that just came in. It's an 18-foot Wildwood FSX. See the nice lights under the awning there. Anyways, 2018, great shape. Come and see. Got a fixed queen bed here, walk around queen, that's kind of nice. And tons of counter space. You've got an under counter refrigerator, three-way, gas electric. And over here, a nice little dinette. And to the back, come on through. Great sized bathroom, I mean. Pantry behind the door. And just a very good use of the 18 feet. And very light. This unit is 2,800 pounds and change. So even a small vehicle like a smaller SUV or a minivan, you're good to go. Come see this unit at Stewiacke, exit 11, Pine Acres. Pine Acres.